Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to fix the G-Sync not showing up in your Nvidia Control Panel. So if you're frustrated because it's missing, you can follow up this process and have it working perfectly again. The first thing first is make sure that your device actually supports the G-Sync and your monitor should be compatible with it, and you can check your Windows display settings. So you can go to your settings for that, and within your settings go to System and go to Display. And from here, scroll down, go to Advanced Display Settings, and make sure the refresh rate here, this one right here, is set to 144 Hz or more than that, 165 more than that, because G-Sync won't be showing up if your monitor is stuck at 60 at it. So you can just go and do so. And next, you can download the latest NVIDIA driver from the official site. So you can look out for the official site, usually type in NVIDIA and type in drivers, hit enter, and you can look out for their official site, which is this one right here. And there you can look out for your product that you're trying to find. So you can search the product category, your GeForce, NVIDIA, etc. And after you do so, you will be looking out for your drivers. Once you find the drivers, you can install it up. And once it is installed, you can just go over and fix it. And often that should fix the missing G-Sync option. Apart from that, you can even go to your NVIDIA Control Panel. So you can right click on it on your desktop and look out for show more options and look out for this NVIDIA Control Panel. And from the control panel, you can go to the display section and set up the G-Sync there. You can just go and check for G-Sync here and turn it on and apply it up and select whether you want it full screen or windowed applications. And if your G-Sync still does not show that, make sure that your monitor is connected directly to your GPU, not the motherboard. And some laptop routes display through the integrated GPU, which prevents G-Sync from working. So you can double check your cable as well. And that's it. G-Sync now should appear and work in your NVIDIA Control Panel. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.